It was a completely new way of looking at your curriculum, looking at the goals, looking at, how are they interwoven or intertwined with each other? What are the connections between the goals? But in the end, or maybe you should say it, René, but now I love it. I actually I make all these different kinds of maps. I like to do it in the evening, even of our CPD program. I love it now, but it was a hard start.
So the interesting thing is that we were watching somebody doing formative action. I did a process of formative action. And then while doing that process, I did a new process of formative action to ask in which step we were on. I said, it's like Inception, the movie.
Welcome to Rethinking Education. Education's critical friend.